Welcome guys to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to continue the Damian series. I think it's episode 9, yeah, episode 9. Hopefully this time we actually are able to unlock him. Okay, let's start our first game. Gem grab, I don't like gem grab at all. That's one of my most hated game modes. I just hate when you have all the gems like you need, and then the final second you lose them all, and then the team takes the gems and then they win. Like, it's so annoying feeling like you just can't get over the fact. Well, thank God he disconnected. I know they maybe choose another game mode that's better than that. Hopefully they choose like, I think Brawl Ball would be best or Bounty. What is going on? Why is it lagging like that? It's not even letting me exit at this point. That's happened to me once before. It was very annoying. This is gonna go horrific. Oh, finally. Just had to wait a bit. Brawl Ball, that's good. I like Brawl Ball. So I'll take it. No, let's think. I'm gonna take Daryl. No, anyways, let's wait a bit. Okay, now we're gonna start the game. It's time for victory. Okay, this is what's going on. Not now. No, it's not time for the internet to lag. Okay, that's good. Cut the ball. The worst thing about having the ball actually is just you cannot attack, but they can attack. It's just so bad. You keep getting hit, and you don't like actually be able to hit them. Well, oh no, I hate Sirius so much. When you play against Sirius, it's like a nightmare. He pulls out millions of shadows, and you can't even reach him at this point. You just have to kill off the shadows and shadows. Help! How was that? How did that even happen? Oh no, this doesn't look like a good game there now. We need to win. How are we gonna win? I don't know. Our team is so bad. Compared to the fact that the other team has a series and they don't. Even though I actually do have series. I didn't really think of actually getting. Oh, well, they're gonna score. If they don't score, somehow those. Wait a second. They could actually maybe not score. That's nice actually. Because that was very close. Okay, their first goal maybe. Let me just enter. And I just attack and just. That's so nice. Let's go! It's 1-1. Look, I know probably not gonna win, but we have a good chance. It's 1-1 and we just need one more goal, but also they need one more goal. Okay. What in the, how? Okay, we have 20 seconds right now. Okay, it looks like the other team is on the attack. Okay, for focus. Okay, the walls are all gonna be destroyed, so we have to be careful. Oh no, what did he keep going? You serious? Come on, guys. Let's go. Got the ball. Score! It's in. The comeback is back. That's one hell of a win. Okay, we're gonna get something good out of this case drop. No, I back. 50 credits, I'll take it. I'm trying to unlock Chester anyway, so 50 credits is pretty good unlocking stuff. But how much? Oh, I'm right now 2,709 credits into unlocking Chester. Yeah, not bad. Let's play the second game. Bounty, okay, Bounty. I like Bounty. I think my best option for Bounty, to be honest, is actually Dale. Because, like, I like playing Dale and Bounty a lot. I don't know, I just like it. Like, Dale just is super. You can escape with it. Come on! Don't tell me they're gonna pick Jump Grab this time. Thank God. Bro. Okay, I'll take Bro. Okay. I'm gonna take no, Damian. Okay, come on, pick, Gary. The same guy. Where was that guy? I feel like this guy's gonna come every single time and ruin the game for me, to be honest. I feel like this is a never-ending loop. No, not Jump Grab. But I want pick Dale. Just pick. Let's go. Now the other team just needs to pick. Pick, come on, pick quickly. There's 5 seconds left. No, not again. Now we're gonna play this game. We're gonna try to actually win. We'll see if we actually end up getting the victory. If we end up winning it, we're gonna get our, I think, ninth. Our 9th Damian box. It's called Damian box, whatever it's called. I don't really care. Anyways, we're now in the lead, but it's always deceiving. They could just take all the gems away from us by one string of luck. I don't know, I just like saying, like getting all my anger out of me. Playing there literally helps me get my anger out of this stuff. Oh no. No. Let's try to find this guy. Found. Wait a sec. Quickly. Find him. Oh, where is this guy? There. Oh no, man, no. Why though? We're gonna get to the 9th Damian box. Oh well, guys, that ends it. The video, and I'll see you next video, and bye.